Hi there. In this video, we're going to talk about Amazon repricing and show you how to set more advanced rules to help you win the buy box. Basic repricing is great, but Repricer can offer so much more. While a single strategy or approach is perfect in many scenarios, at other times, you'll want to target your competitors directly. Using Repricer's default rule, you can target all sellers equally. You can set how competitive you want to be, beating, matching, or pricing above your competitors. You can also narrow who you want to compete with Repricer exclusions. Ignore sellers who are not eligible for the buy box, or even Amazon themselves as a seller. Now we will consider what repricing will do in various other scenarios, such as, what if you don't have any competitors? Your competitors are priced below your minimum price, or when you've secured the buy box. Moving on, let's get more granular. Using Repricer's competitor rules, you can compete in different ways in many common scenarios. Within each competitor rule, you can determine how you'll be priced against sellers who match those rule settings. You can use common scenarios such as who holds the buy box or fulfillment types, stock levels and fulfillment type, even recency of sales, feedback count and rating, or even target or exclude specific sellers. Now you're ready to set up your own advanced repricing rules. In our next video, we'll take you through setting up eBay repricing. If you don't use eBay, feel free to skip ahead to our next video where we'll show you how to apply advanced strategies that help you win the buy box in different scenarios.